Let me now call the governor from Kisii, my friend Simba Arati, to come and say something. Thank you for finding time to come all the way from Kisii. We talked on short notice yesterday, and thank you.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wageni waheshimiwa, habari ya jioni. Hapa wanajuanga Kiswahili? Watu wa Muranga mnajua Kiswahili kweli? English. Nataka nishukuru niseme kwamba mimi naitwa Simba Arati, gavana wa Kisii. Nimekuja leo kujiunga pamoja na nyinyi katika conference hii kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Kang'ata tulikuwa naye bunge pamoja. Tumekuwa magavana. Jana jioni nilipigia simu ananiambia hapana usiongee na mimi, wewe kuja kesho. Nimeangalia hapa Mheshimiwa Rais, unajua hapa Muranga ni kama Kisii. Weather ni the same. Ile maendeleo naona iko hapa, mzee Mwangi, mzee Munga, Profesa Masharia ambaye ni daktari wangu. Nataka niseme Mheshimiwa Rais utakapokuja kule Kisii kwa sababu tutafanya shughuli kama hii. Naona kwamba hii ni nzuri. Ufanya haya mazuri ambao umefanya hapa Muranga. Kwa sababu amefanya mambo mazuri. Watu wa Muranga nataka tuseme kwamba tushirikiane pamoja, tupeane kazi na siasa tuanze baadaye. Kwa sasa tufanye shughuli ambayo ipo. At least miaka 3 kuelekea uchaguzini ni mbali sana. Tujaribu hii miaka 2 ambayo imebaki, ile nyingine moja watu wanyoroshane uwanjani, yule atashinda ashinde. Wale ambao tutabaki tubaki kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais lazima tubaki uongozini. Kivyo vyote vile. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.
Your Excellency, let me call the Budget and Economic Council, all of them to come here. They are the brains behind this event. It is important you get to know them because they have really been supporting of this event and various programs. So please welcome Budget and Economic Council. I think it is important the President to get to know you and at least to listen your name. Karibu Chairman, you can lead our team.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the ladies and men that you've seen in front of you, and the members of the Budget and Economic Council of Muranga County. They know their names better than I do. And if you allow me, Your Excellency, I will ask each one of them to come and just say his name or her name as the audience also welcome that with a clap. Thank you.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya, my name is Professor Isaac Macharia, member of the Muranga Economic Council and also Chairman of Equity Group Holdings. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Dr. Kanyenje Gakombe. I'm a healthcare professional in charge of the healthcare pillar within the Economic Council. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Dr. Salome Gitoho, Karibu Muranga.
Your Excellency, I'm Professor Felista Wanjiru Njuguna.
Your Excellency, I'm Professor Dixon Nyariki. I'm the Vice Chancellor, Muranga University of Technology. Welcome.
Your Excellency, sir, my name is Professor Zipora Nganga. I serve in the Education Committee in Mbek. Karibu Muranga.
Your Excellency, my name is Dr. John Mosonik. I'm a council member in technology and innovation.
Your Excellency, my name is Ambassador Muthoni Gishohi, the former ambassador of Kenya to the People's Republic of China.
Your Excellency, it's an honor and pleasure. My name is Wayne Cook. I'm the Managing Director for Damonte Kenya Limited. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Your Excellency, my name is Jim Nambaru. I'm a member of MBEC, and I'm also the chairman of the Trade and Investment Committee of MBEC, and I've been chairing the committee which has been responsible for organizing this conference. Thank you very much indeed.
Your Excellency, sir, my name is Chris Flowers. I'm the Managing Director of Kakuzi PLC. Thank you.
Your Excellency, in 1 minute, allow me to do my presentation. I ask the people looking at the screen, handling the screen, to now present our presentation that I'll do in 1 or 2 minutes. But basically, Your Excellency, what we are, I don't know whether the speech. So, Your Excellency, basically, we are here in this conference for about 4 reasons. Number one, we want to attract industries that will come and establish themselves. Through that, we'll be able to have some jobs, also raise revenue as a county, and also thirdly, create backward linkages, particularly for our farmers. And we believe that will make Muranga proceed. Your Excellency, we have several opportunities. Yes, can go next slide. So we hope through this conference, go back a little. We hope through this conference we will onboard investors, and we have several investment opportunities. Number one is this, what we call Muranga Industrial Park. That is number one. That's the land that we have 1,300 at a place we call near Mackenzie. So this is the master plan which has been approved by the county assembly. That master plan, 500 acres we donated to IPZD, and we are happy that IPZD is currently building infrastructure there. The balance of 800 is in our hands. We have zoned it mainly for manufacturing and other uses. Your Excellency, we are happy that we have also given several national government pieces of land inside this park. One, the Ministry of Housing has a phase 2 affordable housing of about 2,500 units. The construction is ongoing. There is also the promise to help us upgrade Matiba Hospital, also a police station, Director of Public Prosecution, Teacher Service Commission, and all those people, and also Ministry of Lands. It has a portion where they can put up another house or a lands registry. Your Excellency, this land is open for anyone wanting to do manufacturing mainly,